Hi there, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your lock screen on the Redmi Note 14 Pro. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up settings. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you see wallpaper and personalization. From here, find lock style. Now you can go ahead and customize your lock screen. So if you scroll down, you can go ahead and choose the classic style of having your time at the top and you have a wallpaper. Or you can go ahead and scroll down and have this kind of style where you have a rhombus effect. So you have the time right in the middle in a rhombus shape, and you can have a wallpaper at the back. Or you can go ahead and scroll down again and have a picture. Using this picture effect, you can go ahead and have the depth of field, so you can have your picture behind the text or in front of the text. Tap on customize on one, and then you can go ahead and change whatever you want to change, the style. And once you're happy, tap apply. And now that lock screen will be applied to your phone. So there you go, guys. That is how to customize your lock screen on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.